Hey guys, welcome back to the Artisti YouTube channel where we guide you through all things coffee. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video and hit the bell icon because we've got heaps of videos coming and you don't want to miss them. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm here in the Artisti factory servicing bay and I'm about to do a 4-hour intensive training with Marzocco on all their equipment. So I've got a Marzocco PB, I've got a Marzocco Classic, and today I'm going to learn direct from the Marzocco team via online. We're going to do this via video conference because in today's age, of course, we just have to adapt, and this is a service that they provide us so that we can be more knowledgeable about all of the equipment that we supply and just be able to support our customers. I'm an account manager, but I still take just quick troubleshooting phone calls, or I walk into cafes and they're having issues, and it's days like this and it's training like this that Marzocco provide us that give us that edge when we really need to support our customers. So I'm a bit nervous, I'm a bit excited. I've got a whole heap of parts that I have no idea where they're going to go, and learn all about it today. So I thought I'd just let you in on this little moment because it's something that we do behind the scenes here, and we want to continually train ourselves and be better at what we do so we can support our customers and give you an insight into what it's like to be here at the Artisti Roastery. So stick around and you will see a bit more about what's happened here today. Cheers, guys. Oh man, that was epic. I've just spent 5 hours on a conference call with Adrian from Marzocco, just going through the ins and outs of their machines, particularly the Classic and the PB today, but I am going to do more training with them on all their other machines because there's just so much to learn. Today, we just focused on understanding how to troubleshoot what goes wrong with customers and knowing all the parts and what I'm looking for. Diving deep into the programming of the machine and the full digital menu there, how to update the software and just really understanding how to get the most out of the machine. You wouldn't realize how many factory settings are coming with the machine, and understanding how to adapt them to make better coffee faster. So being able to install a machine, all the steps to make sure it's done correctly, bleeding the machine and doing all the things that need to be done to make sure it's set up correctly, but also if you need to move a machine or take it out of an account, that it's looked after correctly. So there's a lot to it, lots to learn. I'm excited for the journey that I'm on learning about equipment. I'm excited for the opportunity to help my customers now and be able to spend more time in the tech world. So if you've got any questions, put them in the comments below. Either myself or Luke's a technician, and we've got another full-time service tech here at Artisti. So between us, we should be able to answer some questions you've got. I'm curious. So thanks for watching this video, little insight. If you want to see more of our day-to-day, check out our Instagram page. That's what we're posting on every day. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. We just hit 25,000 subscribers, so super stoked on that, and we continue to grow the channel for the community of coffee lovers that we've got. So hit the bell icon so don't miss out on future videos. Thanks guys, see you next time.